Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 7.3. Let's just go through the information. The graph of f of x is drawn alongside the parabola cuts the x-axis at B and D and the y-axis at G. C is the turning point of f. Line AE is an angle of inclination of theta and cuts the x-axis and y-axis at A and E respectively. T is a point on F between B and G. Write down the range of F. So even here the instruction says write down. So it means it shouldn't be something difficult. It shouldn't be difficult. So let's see the range. So we managed to find the coordinates of C, meaning that the minimum value of this function is negative 25. You see that? So this function is concave up. So it goes down, it's decreasing before the turning point is decreasing, going down, decreases till it gets to negative 25. Then after negative 25 is now increasing, it's now going up. You see that? So it means negative 25 is the minimum value there. So it means the y value is going to be negative 25 or more. This graph will never be below negative 25. Negative 25 is the minimum. So y is negative 25 or more. That's the range. Remember, the range is the y values. And then the domain is the x values. So how do we represent that? We say y is greater than or equal to negative 25. Or we can use the interval notation and say y is an element of and negative 25 included, and then up to infinity. Okay, so that's the range there. Okay, right, we're going to meet when we do question 7.4.